fixed mindset versus growth mindset. Have you ever thought, I'm just not good at math and I'll never be a good singer? If yes, that's the sign of fixed mindset. A fixed mindset means you believe your talent or intelligence are fixed. You are either good at something or you are not. You avoid challenges, give up easily, and you see effort is a sign of weakness. But there is a good news. There is another way to think. It's called growth mindset. A growth mindset means you believe you can better at anything with effort, learning, and practice. It's like saying, I'm not good at this yet. Let's look at an example. Imagine a student who fails a math test, but a fixed mindset says, I'm just bad at math. But a good mindset says, I can improve. I didn't do well, but I can improve if I study harder and ask for help. See the difference with growth mindset. Mistakes are not the end, they are lessons, and challenges are not that scary. They are chances to grow, and effort is not a weakness, it's the key of success. And even famous people like Michael Jordan and Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison failed many times before they succeed. What made them great? Was not just a talent, but a mindset that said that we can learn, we can improve. How can I develop a growth mindset? Believe in the power of yet. So say, I don't understand this yet. Embrace challenges because challenges is a step toward growth, and celebrate effort, not just result. Hard work, not perfection, bring real success. Learn from feedback because feedback is not criticism, it's the key of success. And be inspired by other success instead of feeling jealous, and ask, how can I learn from them? Next time when you face challenge, remember, change your word. Change your mindset, change your life. Instead of, I can't, say, I can't yet. Instead of, I'm not smart, say, I'm learning. Instead of giving up, say, I will try a different way. In the end, your mindset is your superpower. If you believe you can grow, you will. Because your mind is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. In the end of my speech, I want to recite from the Holy Quran. Allah says, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Who know and who don't know, both are not equal. So keep learning, keep growing. I won't prolong my speech. Thank you for listening to me patiently. I will meet you again with another topic as a speaker. Till then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.